Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can generate unlimited videos using Sora 2. So, let's get started. First, take the link I've provided and paste it into your browser. As soon as the site loads, you will see an extension pop up. Click on the Get icon to add this extension to your browser. Now, go to the top right corner of your browser, click the extension icon, and open it up. Once it opens, expand the view window slightly so you can see the interface clearly. Now, open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Open the first result you see. We are going to use this temporary email to sign up inside the extension. Important note, while signing up, you might face a small issue verifying the CAPTCHA. Don't worry, just try it 1 or 2 times, and it will verify successfully. Once you are logged in, it's time to select your model. Go ahead and pick Sora 20 credits. Let's type in a really cool prompt here. Give it a moment, and boom! Your video is ready. Let's take a look at the result.
Ever heard of Curious Scan?
What's it about? Some new subscription?
It's a scan that rewards curiosity. You scan, you get surprises.
So it's like a mystery reward?
Just scan.
Whoa, free latte!
Now, let's try something even better. We are going to generate a 15-second video this time. Select Sora 280 credits for higher quality. I'm entering a new prompt right now. Wait a few seconds. And there you have it. Another high-quality video is ready.
Have you subscribed to Curious Scan yet?
Curious what?
It's this free newsletter full of weird, fascinating stories.
Stories about what?
An octopus who can pick locks, a fridge marathon, and plants that hear music.
I love that.
So, will you subscribe?
Is it really free?
Totally free.
Then, yeah.
Alright, show me.
Now, here is the main point. You get 200 credits by default, but if you run out of credits, simply create a new account using the Temp Mail method I just showed you. This way, you can keep generating videos forever. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you liked this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.